So what I've got here is I've got a plastic tub, I've got some Parma ham, I've just lined it. So you put greaseproof paper in first to line the mould. After that point there, you're going to line it with Parma ham. And then I've got ham hock. So what I've got there is, it's just ham hock mix. I've got some parsley, a bit of truffle oil in there, whole grain mustard. So what I decided to do was just get the ham hocks, I've steamed them for 3 hours, and then after that I took off the fat, took away the bones, got the meat and just shredded it down, using your fingers on that side. All I'll do now is I'll compress this meat mix into the mould. So I'm just going to spoon it in. Compact. The reason you're getting it compact is so that when you are going to slice the terrine, it's going to hold together better. Again, you can keep a bit of the cooking liquor and drop a little bit of cooking liquor in there, put a bit of moisture in. But as you can see here, it's quite moist, so I didn't need to add any more. So what I've got, so just fill in the last bits. Again, you can do things like put asparagus in here if you want to, baby onions. There's all sorts of different kind of colours you can put in there, flavours. Right, as you can see now, so it's big. So this last bit there, don't want to waste any. Some bits here as well. Alright, so I've filled the terrine and we'll just press down. So you can make sure I'm getting the corners. And as you can see, what I've done is I've put extra Parma ham down the sides, and that way I'll be able to just wrap over. So I'll just do this now. So fold the bottom bit in first. I'm going to leave it overnight. I'm just going to put a weight on top of it as well. So the weight could be another container, fill it with water, or you could put some cans or something like that in the cupboards. So when you're filling it, you just want it just fill in just slightly over the edge, just so it can allow you to press it down. So you see there, it's all been lined, Parma ham on top. Just pat it down gently, and then the cling film lay over the top, so you're just keeping it safe, not anything touching it. I'm just going to leave that overnight. You've got a nice terrine, so you can make this a few days before if you want to as well.